Hello there, fellow self-publishers. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we've got something truly exciting lined up for you. We're unveiling the top 5 highly profitable Amazon KDP niches for 2023. So, if you're eager to explore these lucrative opportunities, let's get started. First on our list is a niche that's both enlightening and in demand. Emotional Intelligence for Kids Workbook. A niche score of 55 means there's a strong demand with manageable competition. A sweet spot for success. With 471 total results, you're stepping into a niche with less competition. An average bestseller rank of 462,000 suggests good sales potential and visibility. With over 900 reviews, it's clear that readers are embracing this content. Priced at an average of $13.7, you're set to earn a lot. Next, we're exploring a niche focused on personal growth. Working with Emotional Intelligence Workbook. A niche score of 58 is impressive, indicating a high demand with reasonable competition. With 519 total results, it's a competitive yet promising field. An average BSR of 589,000 points to great sales potential and visibility. The whopping 2,043 reviews highlight a strong and growing interest in this content. Priced at an average of $15.4, you're geared up for a rewarding journey. Now let's venture into a niche that's all about creativity and mindfulness. Mindful patterns. Coloring book for women. A niche score of 51 suggests a decent demand with some competition. With 1,750 total results, there's space to make your mark. An average BSR of 602,000 hints at a market with potential. While reviews are relatively lower at 108, there's still a niche audience. Priced at an average of $7.1, you're ready for a relaxing and profitable journey. Let's explore the fourth niche. Halloween coloring book for adults. A niche score of 58 is impressive, indicating high demand with reasonable competition. With 4,520 total results, it's a competitive field, but creativity can shine. An average BSR of 171,000 signals good sales potential and visibility. With 551 reviews, this niche has an engaged audience. Priced at an average of $8.1, you're set to add some great profits. And finally, let's explore the most highest demanding niche with an impressive niche score of 68, pointing to high demand with minimal competition. With 2,394 total results, you have a chance to shine in a niche with low competition. An average BSR of 483,000 suggests a market with potential. While reviews are lower at 88, there's a demand for this content. Priced at an average of $7.6, you're on the path to a profitable journey. To sum it all up, these are the top 5 highly profitable Amazon KDP niches for 2023. That's a wrap for this video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.